Giambotta, an Italian vegetable summer stew. Cuciniamo. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Cuciniamo with Johnny V. Today, I'm making giambotta, and this is just a mixture of different vegetables. We've got peppers, we've got potatoes, we've got tomatoes, zucchini, eggplant, and some onions, as well as some crushed tomatoes to go in there. So, and garlic and basil, which we will add towards the end. So let's get started. I'm going to take you over to the stove and we'll get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with heating up some olive oil in a pot, along with about 5 cloves of garlic. Once that heats up a little bit, we will then add the potatoes. Okay, in goes the potatoes. These are diced up small, and it's about 5 medium to small potatoes. We're going to let them cook in here for about 5 minutes. And now I'm going to add in the eggplant. And again, this is one eggplant, and it's cubed small. Now I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients, which this is 1 onion, just sliced up, kept them long. Going to throw that in there. Going to throw in the peppers. This is red, yellow, green, orange peppers. 1 of each, sliced long. You could cut them up in smaller pieces. I like them long. The zucchini, this is 2 zucchinis cut and diced into small pieces. Tomatoes, this is about 4 or 5 plum tomatoes, diced up small. I'm going to add some salt and pepper, and I'll add more as I add the tomato sauce or the crushed tomatoes into it. And I'm just going to cover this and let this cook down for about 15 minutes before I add the tomatoes. Okay, so this is cooked down for a little bit. Now I'm going to add in just 1 can of crushed tomatoes. I may add another can, don't know, I'll see. But along with this, I'm going to add some water, just a little bit. 1, to rinse out the can, and 2, I don't like it too thick. Now add some more salt, some more pepper. Remember, we already got the garlic in there that was sauteed in the olive oil. And then mix this around. And you can add celery in here, like cut celery up and put that in there as well. I didn't have any, so I'm not adding it. Didn't get it to add it. We'll let this cook down for about 30 minutes covered. I did forget to add another 2 ingredients, which is some basil, fresh basil, and some fresh parsley. I'm going to add that in there now. And yes, I forgot 1 more ingredient. This was behind my knives, which is oregano, some dry oregano. I'm not going to put a lot, but just to add some additional flavor with the parsley and the basil. The giambotta is done. Let's go take it to the center counter and taste it. Okay, so I told you this is done, and now it's time to taste it. And I told you that you really need to eat this with some crusty Italian bread. It does pair with any type of meat, steak, chicken, fish, and I'm going to have it with some chicken cutlets tonight. But let's just put a little bit in the dish and taste it. I'm going to move this out of the way. I like to put it on top of my bread and then take a bite out of it. And I just burned my mouth because it is so hot. But it's so good too, so delicious. It's very easy to make. Just prepping to cut up your vegetables. Make it. You'll enjoy it. Have a great day. Thanks for following. Thanks for watching. Take care.